ขอบคุณค่ะ
We came here not for comfort, but for curiosity. There's no sign announcing arrival, no ceremony, just a dark opening in the hillside, quietly waiting. This is the Cheviot Tunnel. From the outside it looks modest, almost unremarkable, but like most things shaped by effort, it goes deeper than it first appears. The tunnel was carved in the late 19th century, when Victoria was stitching itself together with rail. Gold had changed the rhythm of the land. Towns appeared where none were meant to be. People and produce needed to move. The hills here refused easy solutions. Going around would take too long, so the decision was made to go through. What followed wasn't a triumph of machines, but of human persistence. This tunnel was carved by hand, pick by pick, shovel by shovel, charge by charge. Many of the men who worked here were migrants, moving from job to job, living in rough camps, paid little, risking everything. Inside the tunnel, light was poor. Ventilation was primitive. Smoke from blasting lingered. Dust filled lungs. Water seeped constantly from the rock, turning the floor to mud and the walls slick with clay and moss. Accidents happened. When they did, work paused briefly, then continued. The tunnel did not wait for grief. Every scar on these walls was earned. Every uneven surface is a record of effort. Some men walked out at the end of their shift, some did not. There are no plaques here, no list of names. The tunnel itself is the memorial. When the two ends finally met, it wasn't celebration that dominated, but relief.
This really long tunnel. Oh, wow. Look, not that far from there. Not really far away. Hello! Hello! Look at the trees still stand under rock. Three of them, that's amazing. Whoa.มันเข้าผิดเนาะ
Later, trains passed through this darkness, hauling timber, produce, livestock and people. For passengers, it was just a moment of blackness. For crews, it was another test of heat, noise and uncertainty. Eventually, the line closed, roads improved, maintenance stopped, nature moved back in. Wood rotted, iron rusted, stone stayed. Walking through today, your senses recalibrate. Sound stretches. Drips echo longer than expected. Footsteps feel intrusive. You become aware of the ceiling above you, the weight of the hill pressing down, the distance behind and ahead. Time behaves strangely here. The exit always feels further than it should be. The tunnel doesn't threaten you, but it doesn't reassure you either. It simply exists. Modern infrastructure hides its effort.
Yes.
We don't see the labour. We don't feel the weight overhead. Places like this remind us that progress once had a human face, tired, dirty and anonymous. Nothing here was instant. Everything took time. Then, slowly, the darkness thins. Light spills in. Sound changes. The world opens back up. For a moment, you carry the tunnel with you. The quiet, the pressure, the patience it demanded. The Cheviot Tunnel doesn't ask to be restored. It doesn't need spectacle. It only asks to be noticed. People worked here until the stone gave way. Then they moved on. The tunnel stayed.